Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 14, and today we're covering something really important, how to upload a CAD file in Coohom. If you've ever struggled with getting your CAD drawings into Coohom, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open a new project in Coohom. You'll see multiple options here. In previous videos, we already learned what each option does. This time, click on Upload CAD File. Coohom will then ask if you want to auto-recognize the file or draw based on the image. To upload a CAD file properly, click on Recognize. As soon as you do that, the File Manager will open. Find the CAD file you want to upload. Select the file. Immediately, Coohom will begin the uploading process. After a short loading time,
boom,
your CAD file is uploaded successfully. A quick note, if you want Coohom to auto-add walls, doors, and windows, make sure your CAD file size is small and clean. But if you don't need that feature, you can simply upload the CAD file as it is, just like I'm showing you here. Of course, you can also manually draw using the floor plan tool if needed. Once your CAD file is uploaded, you'll find additional options. Enable or disable different layers of the CAD file. Change the line colors. Adjust the alignment of your drawing. To access these, simply click on the image icon at the bottom, and you'll get all these editing controls. Now it's your turn. Try uploading a floor plan in Coohom using the CAD method. Experiment with the layer settings and start preparing it for design. Once you've done that, DM me your design on Instagram at HomeDesignerific. In my upcoming videos, I'll be featuring some of the best plans and giving feedback, so don't miss this chance to get featured. And before we wrap up, if you haven't upgraded yet, this is the perfect time to get Coohom Elite and Coohom Pro plans. For Coohomite, you get 10% off on all Elite plan subscriptions using my promo code HD Elite. Coohom Pro, you get 73% off on all Coohom Pro plan subscription using my exclusive promo code Home Designer. Don't miss out on the deal. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next part of this course. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy designing with Coohom.